Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Spoon with Wings. As you saw in the thumbnail, today we'll be making muffins. The following ingredients are eggs, salt, sugar, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, oil and milk. This is the egg version. You can comment below if you want the egg-free version. The first step is to separate the yolk and the egg whites. And now, just a pinch of salt in the egg white. Start mixing the egg whites with a mixer. You know when it's ready when it becomes a thick white foam. Do you know the difference between muffins and cupcakes? Cupcake is just cake with cream, while muffins are the dry version of them. Ta-da! Our egg white is ready! Now, take the egg yolks that were kept aside and add grinded sugar to it. Start roughly mixing it. We are mixing it in a rough way so that the sugar doesn't fly off. Use a mixer to mix the egg yolk and the grinded sugar. Remember to scrape off all the batter from the sides of the bowl. Add oil to the batter and start mixing it again. Did you know baking is also a type of physics? Add a small amount of milk and start mixing it again. We'll start adding the all-purpose flour inside the batter gradually. Please comment below which type of foods you like more, sweet or savory. We'll be adding the second batch, followed by the third. Meantime, we will be preheating the oven. Temperature 180 degrees, both the grills, and for 10 minutes. here comes the fun part. Now we'll be mixing the egg whites with the batter. Again, this will be done in 3 batches. For this mixing, we will only be using the spatula. No machine or whisk is allowed. This method is called the cut and fold method. If you want any other videos based on baking, do let us know in the comment section below. Do you know, as this muffin is not made out of premix, it tastes way better. While you cut and fold and mix, your batter will end up with this type of consistency. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of milk and then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix both of them till they have properly binded together, till there are no lumps left out. As cocoa powder is dry, you might need to add a little more of milk. You can do so. We will add 1/3 of the batter to the cocoa and milk mix. Mix it well. Add cupcake liners to the cupcake tray. Pour about 2/3 of the batter into the cupcake liners. Be careful, if you add more, it might overflow while baking. Make sure to wipe off any excess batter that may have fallen on the cupcake tray, or else while baking, the burnt smell can be infused with the cupcakes that have been baked along with it. As you have seen, our first part is of chocolate, then vanilla, then a mix of chocolate and vanilla. Mix the batch of chocolate and vanilla muffins so that you can get a beautiful pattern. You know, one batch of batter was able to make 21 muffins. As you can see, we have used various toppings such as choco chips, walnuts, red chocolate and tutti frutti. You can use any toppings you would like. This is the last step of this process. It's time to bake the muffins. Now we'll be putting the muffins inside the oven. Remember to put the temperature in 180 degrees. Make sure for the both grills and for 20 minutes. To test the muffin's fluffiness, we will be using a stick to poke holes through it. If nothing slimy or wet comes out of it, it means that your muffin is perfectly baked. Voila! Our muffins are ready! Now it's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Bye!